Hello and welcome to Unit 6. This is the final week. This is it. There's no more after this. Well, okay, there's probably other classes, but no more in mine. We've been gearing up to this for the last 2 weeks as a lot of the discussions and different things that you were supposed to do were related to actually creation of the final project. Hopefully you've been laying the foundation for the last 2 weeks between the methods and ways to go about doing the casino project and things along those lines, so you could actually get this done. Make sure that when you finally turn this in, you not only turn in the program itself, but you also turn in the video telling me how this works and showing me how it fulfills all the criteria necessary in the final project. The reason I say that it's so very important this particular week is because of the fact that, let's say Sunday rolls around. I don't have your stuff in. Then I'm trying to, or you turn something in and it doesn't work all the way and there's some sort of error in it that I can't get it to work on my machine, but you could get it to work perfectly fine in yours. If you've turned in a video that accompanies it, then I just run the video and I can see it clearly working. Because the problem I've had in the past is people turn stuff in Sunday night, then I have to grade it. My due date is Wednesday. Something goes wrong. I don't have time enough to track somebody down to figure out how to get it back, and then there's all kinds of grade issues and different things. So once again, make sure you're working ahead of time. Make sure you're utilizing the boards if you run into issues. Make sure that you utilize a lot of the foundation you laid in the discussion for the last 2 weeks. And if you start early, which you've already kind of started early, but if you really start early, meaning you're already starting to work on it, it should all come together, and you shouldn't have that big deal to kind of cross your T's, dot your I's towards the end. The worst case scenario, you start on it Friday or Saturday, it's not getting done in time. Then you're asking me for an extension, which I can't give because I have to get my grades done by a certain time. So I just want you to be kind of aware of all things working up to that so you can be as proactive as possible. I know I keep hammering this and hammering this and hammering this, but I really want you to do well, and in my experience, the people who start earlier usually do well. So thank you very much for your time. Good luck. Last unit. We can do this. Well, what am I talking? You can do this. I can grade it when you're done. So, good luck. You've done well so far.